But I think it's going viral for the wrong reasons. You understand me I say? A lot of persons are saying that the girl a dirty girl, and this does go to show you how the woman them stay nowadays, and everybody a bash. And I see a lot of women making videos and I talk about that Jaii pick the worst type of girl them. Now, I know say me is a man where me fear. You understand? Even though they don't like me fear. Truth be told, I have seen Jaii do interview with very well-thinking, intelligible, well-speaking young ladies. I see him do the Denique interview. I see him do TC interview. I see him do Tan Travels, even though I don't know the issue with that. And one next girl, I can't remember what she her name, but she did a very good interview. You understand? You also have to remember, this is entertainment. This is entertainment. And you have to choose people. When you choose people for interview, you have to choose people where actually have an audience or a reach. And it have to be entertaining for it to sell, because it's marketing. You understand? I work, you know, just interview for interview's sake. You have to interview for action also. It have to earn, because you have to pay for studio space, you have to pay for filming, editing, promotion, and so it have to make sense financially and fiscally. So you have to choose people who have a little clout, have a little reach, for one. Now, I am not going to say that what the young lady said me agree with. I don't agree with the majority of what it is that the majority of what she said, me disagree. However, for all of the women them may jump up and act so baffled and are like, oh my God, how dare she speak like that, and the truth of the matter is, also enough of them girl I think. The truth of the matter is, that is how a lot, many of this generation of women, this is how they think. Many of this generation of women, this is the mindset that they have. This is not something that is just spontaneous, where they spark out of the middle of nowhere. The things that this young lady is saying, this is the mindset of many of the young lady them now. The truth of the matter is, a lot of the people them now, the young lady them now, the reason why they are in relationship is to see what they can get out of it. It's strictly transactional. These relationship that a lot of these young ladies are entering in is just transactional. A lot of these women, they don't have any heart. Them not no heart. Them not love nobody. Them not want nobody to love them. It's all about what they can do, what a person can do for them. You understand? I wanna keep on say that generation a woman. Another generation alone, generation will come before them, and my generation too. Because the young lady there, she in her early 20s, about 21, 22 so. So she are basically 2 generations after me. Come here 38. And there are a lot of 38, 39, 40-year-old women who have this mindset. You have a lot of 30-year-old women who have this mindset, and you have a lot of 20-year-old women that have this mindset too. So when I go jump and talk about, when I jump and talk about say, oh, them young girl them now this and that. I saw enough for the woman them stay nowadays. The truth of the matter is, them just no found just no bare face enough to go sit down in front of a camera and talk it to the world. You understand? Don't get me wrong, you know. That generation of woman there, you have some good thinking women out there, good woman out there, you know. But you cannot hide the monster that is out there. There is the monster out there. Zin, fire will speak up yourself. There is that monster is actually out there. What we not think about? There are women out there in a generation, in a minute, span several generations of women who believe that a man is only as good as the amount of money he can give you. Doctor, you speak up yourself. See, enough woman believe say a man's worth is measured by the amount of money or what it is that he can actually do for you. I mean, I'm going to say them totally wrong for saying that, you know. Because only if a dirty junker out there as man. You understand me I say? And I'm not gonna say, me not go use no blame game for say, oh, are the man them fault or the woman them fault. But I don't society still right now. We have been socialized to believe that the tangible things them like the monetary things them are what are more important. The little frivolities them of life, them things are the most important. Being able to go to the restaurant, being able to wear this clothes, being able to do this and being able to go on excursions, those are the things that people measure up them happiness with. You understand? We live in a society right now where people are not inclined to get to actually know people anymore. People are not inclined to get to know each other anymore. The dating phase and the courting, not even the dating, courting is basically becoming obsolete. Courting is becoming a thing of the past. Like introducing yourself to a female, spending hours on the phone talking to them, setting up rendezvous where you go and meet them in a specific location and talk and then leave and then you talk back on the phone again, speaking for months, going to different things, participating in things that both of you are interested in, like just going to the park, going to work out together, going to events that the person probably is participating in, getting to know similar interests with the individual. Them days they done. Not even said done, them it not even, me not want for sound more a bit, but the truth is them days they it fleeting. We not really see them thing there anymore. Somebody said that was never a thing in Jamaica. And talk about yourself. When a long time me and my woman not talk still, but back in the day when me and my woman we used to sit and just God never knows go and walk for hours. Richard ever knows from all 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening, 7 o'clock. I would not left never knows till the security them start come touch you and say, I'm gonna have to go in now. We just out there chat the whole day. We used to sit and go down a waterfront, go walk up and down and them thing there. You understand? Go Emancipation Park, go walk around the circle at evening time. Catch the phone, me in my kitchen and cook. She there I do her work, catch the phone and we can we there talk and talk and talk till the phone dead. You have to plug in the phone and use the phone card, tie up on all the grill over my sink and all them something there. See? Remember from free nights there, so somebody talk about when you used to dip on free nights, so you lie down all day and settee, you cock up all your foot over your settee, lie down on the ground, put up your 2 foot on the wall, walk up and down, lean up on the wall, you rake up all your yard, you catch all the phone. Then this is before we have Bluetooth headset, this is the time in time. Remember we have the card, you remember the headphone, I don't know if you remember so headphone you push in the bottom of your phone, or you get the little headphone jack, and you put it so, and you have to ring it around the back of your ears and catch it in your ear so that it not drop out. And you said so and tie all the phone string around it string around the neck and catching all your shirt at them place just so you can sit down on all the phone with the person every week in it. Me I go call you back. Y'all drop asleep with the person on the phone and them days that nobody now do them thing there again. Nobody now do them thing there again. First of all, nowadays if you call a girl, why you call me? Text me now. If you call a girl nowadays where you're interested, them no want even answer the call. Them sit down and watch the call, phone ring, and as soon as the phone done, you see she text you, hey, what go on? Nobody no have them energy there for exclusively talk to you. You talk to somebody now, them a scroll TikTok while them a talk to you. If you say alright, boom, you go out on a date with a girl now. A regular me go a place and I see people on date. And the two of them sit down on the table. The girl a snap and a post and a answer to comment. The man in there scroll TikTok. And this is supposed to be a date. Nobody now sit down and talk and interact and get to know each other. Nobody now know each other. Nobody now know nobody. Nobody now get to know anybody anymore. You understand? Nobody's getting to know anybody anymore. See? Nobody now try to get to know anybody anymore. Everybody is just all about what it is me can do for you, how it is me can get for you, what me can get for you. So everything does become transactional. The woman them want to see as much as them can get. When you invite out a girl now, me I tell you straight, big woman thing, unless it's a girl where a woman where you and them done in a relationship, where you say, "Babes, put on your clothes, me I come for you," and she run go. That have to be fear woman where you and her done dead already or in a something. You can't no spontaneity in it. You can't meet a girl and like a girl and you and her talk. You say, "Hey, just put on something nice, me I come pick you up." First thing she gonna ask you, where we are go? And if where you tell her say you go, it not up to standard or somewhere exciting or somewhere that is postable or somewhere that is relevant enough to go up on her status, she not going. She not going. If you invite a girl, say, "Ah, boom, we are go up a Devanos. Devanos, it's not giving. It's not giving. It's not giving. We are go up a Hope Garden. That's not really Hope Garden. Nah, me no. Nah. Nah, no. No, it's not giving. You have to tell a girl, say, well, it, oh, me I got Oceana. You understand me? I say, me I got Thai. Me I got verandas. Me I got broken plate. We are go up a chilling. You have to have something excitable, something have one ambience, something have one backdrop where she can take one picture in front of you. You understand? Them saying, we are go to we are drive the Clarendon out of the yard. You understand? We are got a little Ochi. We are got alligator. You have to go somewhere where she can put in her story on my way to go in there. She can video when she are going. She can video the food and they plate it in a nice somewhere exciting. Remember the days when you could have said, "Alright, babes, come. May I come pick you up. Draw one shots, draw one blouse." And she draw. Remember, me miss the days. Because someone don't know them days. Remember when Gina slippers did I wear? Young people and they have one slippers named Gina. Who remember them slippers there? Gina. This is before Bridget, before everybody started running down Bridget and Tour Birch and then sitting there. Who remember one slippers named Gina? They used to sell a Silver Slipper Plaza. I think I was like 500 or 600 for them. Coming in some little box. And then coming in all different pretty color. I remember them slippers, the Gina slippers. I remember one slippers where the slippers them man. Where it coming in one where it's like the front part a mesh and it have one little flowers, some little flowers in sticker and little soft slippers there. And they used to sell in a wholesale down a town. When back in the them days when girl does drown under them there. I want like a spaghetti strap blouse, I want like a shorts, and you just go for them days. There was days when you could have go out with girl and enjoy. Them time when a girl put on makeup, all she fling on a little lip gloss and use one pencil and draw one black line around your lip. And then take a set little pencil and draw one mole right here so. Them time there was the day when nobody no business about what they owed. No, like me and I said them never used to put themselves together. But nobody never business about this. You never have to take 4 hours to get ready if you go away. Back in them days you could have stopped a KFC now and drive through and you buy 2-3 pieces of chicken and 2 piece. And yeah, your woman just drive, go up all look out and park. And sit down pan the railing now, you can sit down the whole night on the day and chat and feel good. No music now, if you just chat, eat chicken and then sit there and drink some juice. And yam fries, feeding one day on the chat all night. Or go up there and look out, bust 2 kiss and 2 suck out and squeeze up 2 batty and then sitting there. And go back to your yard, drop her back her yard. Them time they could have get for know the woman where you talk to. Nowadays, it is very transactional. People say time is money, but the problem, time is not money for uno. What is time? Time is time for uno are addicted to social media, uno addicted to posting content, or uno addicted to reading content, or looking at content. Me not afraid for talk. Me not afraid for talk. Back in them day there. If you never have it and a girl like you, a girl would have carry you out and said so. You could have go buy if you stop at I say alright, boom, me buy the KFC this week. And my blank week next week. Next week when I my blank week, she can say alright, boom, me could stop a Bombard pizza out and she buy a pizza. And we still kick back. A woman never have, you date a woman in the dating phase, a girl never have a problem for sex and say, alright, boom, she will pay for this, she will pay for that. You go pick up all a girl and you don't have no gas in your car. When a girl like a girl say, no man, when you come, she stop all a gas station, put in $2,000 or $1,000, 87 or 90 in a car. And it would never look no way. She never feel away because she actually like you, because the reason why she attack to you is because she like you. She actually like you and she actually interested in you. Nowadays, 90% of the women them go on road. Me can tell you, people me they are road every time. Every night me they are road. Every night me they are road, because that me do for a living. Entertainment me do. And me can tell you, I can literally see the man them come on road with the girl them and the girl them not like them. The girl them not like them. The man them don't even like the girl them when them come on road with neither. The man them not like the woman them and the woman them not like the man them. The only reason the man them are carry the girl them are because them sexy and them body big and them want to have sex with them. And the girl them, the only reason them are go to the man are because the man look like him have a piece of change and she want to get as much as she can get until the man tired to get her pum pum.